Hey folks, this is Bob here, and I'm making another video about my subwoofer in my Kia Soul. I have another video that I had made in 2015. I believe it was April of 2015. I had put a Pyle subwoofer in here, 8-inch Pyle subwoofer, and I've since upgraded the subwoofer to the Skar audio 8-inch. I had to cut a wood ring, enabling it to fit in here. The pile did not require that. It wasn't as deep. So this one required a wood ring. And basically what you do is you make the wood ring and you just install it like it's a speaker. You just use, I used the bolts, the existing the ones that I had this mounted with, and I mounted them in I think there was 4 holes, and I countersunk the heads down into the plywood, 3/4 inch plywood, so this speaker would sit flush around on the plywood on the ring. But this is the 8-inch Skar audio, and this Pyle speaker is I want to say it's really not that good, but the thing about it also is it's really not that bad. It was a very cheap subwoofer, but it put out okay sound. The problem was this is a 4 ohm dual voice, okay? And this amp is designed for 2 ohm, and that makes a difference. So this was not playing as loud. It wasn't properly matched to the amp. I mean, it still would turn up and sound pretty good. Like I said, at the time, I should have paid more attention, but I knew that there was a difference in the resistance when I bought it. But I didn't really care. I really wish I would have taken more time to originally put this sub in, because it's a 2 ohm. Same thing, dual voice coil. It plays much richer, and it's a better speaker overall. So I'm very happy with it. And after I changed it out, I really wish I would have done that from the beginning, but I didn't. And it's it's all right. So I'm glad it's in there now. So I'll give a little sound demonstration. I'm not sure how this is going to come out over YouTube, but I downloaded some royalty-free YouTube music. I try to pick something with decent bass, so I'll give you a little sample of what it sounds like. Thank you for watching.